Alright, so today's video is going to be about how to change the tire mobility kit warning in a Ford C-Max to match the actual expiration date that is on the tire mobility kit of a Ford C-Max. So I noticed a couple of days ago that I started getting this warning telling me that my tire mobility kit needed to be serviced, and I couldn't figure out why, right? Because it was fairly new and it shouldn't be expiring. So I made sure that I checked the expiration date and then went and found in the car that those two didn't match. The car is giving me a warning that it needs to be checked yearly. So that's what this video is for. This video is to show you how to make sure that the two agree, and so that they're not conflicting, sending your car into hysterics, making it not want to work, and just actually being annoying. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, we're inside the car. This is the Ford C-Max panel. These are the controls that we're going to be using, okay? And here is going to be the gauges and the information where it tells you right here, and I'll post a picture so you can see what mine looked like. It was just a black box surrounded in yellow that said service mobility kit warning, okay? So in order to get to where you can fix it, you're going to use your little control and you're going to hit the side. That's going to bring you up to this display. You're going to hit the down button all the way to settings, and you're going to hit OK. Now, here you're on display, vehicle, all that mess, right? So you're going to go to your vehicle, hit OK. See right there, it says the tire mobility kit or the mobility kit. You're going to hit OK. Now, right here is the little screen that's been giving me heck for at least a week for me to try and figure out what was going on. So the tire mobility kit on the car, I guess, comes standard that it just says it's on a year, where mine wasn't set to be expired until 4 years. So anyway, so I clicked the 4 years to make sure that it matched the expiration date on my mobility tire kit. So anyway, so now that's fixed. We're good to go. We're gonna get out of here. Like I said, and yours may be 3, yours may be 2, or maybe yours is 1. But mine was 4. Now we fixed it. We're just gonna come back over to the side, and then we're gonna go back up to display mode, and we're done. Voila! You have fixed that annoying beep that has been happening in your car. Thanks for watching.